Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up Salesforce maps. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to go to the Salesforce App Exchange or the App Store of Salesforce. So basically, we will need just to click here on the App Launcher and then go to View All. And basically, we need just to go and search and visit App Exchange. We will go to the App Exchange and then we will need just to search for the Salesforce Maps, and basically we wait for the page to load. So from here we will need just to search for our Salesforce maps, and we can just type Salesforce maps and then search for our application. And from there you can choose any maps or you can simply filters from the Salesforce labs. So here I'm just going to choose the Salesforce Force Labs, so I can have only the Salesforce applications. So from here, we can choose any one of these ones. I'm going for this map my records, and basically, I will need just to click on it, and basically, we need just to install it, and basically, after that, you will be able to find it here in the app launcher. So let's just try it for free, and let's get in that. So here we can start our trial with this application, and either you can try it in your sandbox or continue to installation. So for my case, I will just click on get in, and basically I'm going to click on get it now. And after the install process finishes, I will find it here in the app launcher. So here you will go to view all, and then you will find your application there. And after that, you will have your map view that will be set up after clicking here, and that's it. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.